Hi guys, it's Marianne, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Welcome to day 2 of Taco Week. We have here a very delicious potato taco with pork and all kinds of spices and an avocado sauce. Let's make this. I'm going to use Yukon potato for this recipe. I have 3 of them. As you can see, they're pretty good size. I'm gonna dice them. So if you can't find Yukon Gold potatoes, please don't worry about it. Use the potato you can find, okay? We don't need these to be perfect. So like that, okay? I don't know, what is that, half an inch? All right, I'm only gonna use 2. This is plenty potato for our tacos. I have some boiling water here, as you can see. I'm gonna add salt. And I'm going to add those potatoes. We're gonna cook these for about 5 minutes. We don't wanna cook them fully. We just wanna pre-cook them if you want, 5-6 minutes. When they're kind of tender, we'll take them out. Okay, so this potato is semi-cooked. I'm gonna remove it from the hot water. I don't wanna destroy it, so that's why I'm not straining it directly into a colander. I am going to get rid of all this water so we can continue with our recipe. All right, I'm gonna wipe down my skillet. I'm going to pour some oil in here. We're gonna start cooking our spices. In here I have a tablespoon of Chile arbol powder. That is pretty spicy, guys, so if you want not so spicy, you could use ancho instead. I have a tablespoon of paprika, I have a teaspoon of cumin, and I have a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to add a pinch of allspice and about a teaspoon of oregano. We're going to cook this for about 5 minutes, stirring constantly. And be careful your heat's not too high. You don't want to burn them, okay? All right, these are nicely cooked. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I want you to be really careful. This can splatter. I'm also gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. We're gonna let this cool down for a few minutes and then we will continue. So this has cooled down. I'm going to add a garlic clove, which I minced, and 1/2 pound of ground pork. We are now going to mix all of that well. I'm taking this back to the heat and I'm going to return the potato. We're gonna mix this really well. All right, we're gonna cook this till the potato is cooked through and our pork is also completely cooked. I'm gonna add salt to this. I'm gonna go ahead and cover it and let it finish cooking. Watch your temperature, guys. Don't let this burn. All right, let's make a little salsa for our potato tacos. I'm gonna add 5 tomatillos to the blender. As you can see, I husk them, I wash them, and I half them. This one's really big, the other ones are smaller. So for reference, if you have all big, then maybe just 4. I'm adding a jalapeno, which I seeded and took the main brain out. A handful of cilantro leaves with the stems, a small garlic clove, and 1.5 avocado. I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup of water, salt, and the juice of 1 lime. just going to blend this. I'm gonna taste this for salt. Yummy. I'm gonna add a little more. Beautiful creamy sauce for our tacos. All right, this has been cooking for 15 minutes. I'm gonna see if the potato is cooked through. And it is. Oh, tastes great. I'm going to mash a little bit of the potato. Not all of it, but let's say half of it. All right, I am just gonna leave this at low heat so it stays warm while we heat our tortillas. We're going to pile them up 2 at a time. This will keep the outside crisp and the inside, you know, get soft because it kind of steams. All right, let's get these going. So we're gonna spoon some of our potato and pork in the middle. I'm gonna put some white onion on top. Some chopped cilantro, our beautiful salsa. And a little bit of queso fresco. Those are some very good looking tacos, aren't they? Oh my gosh, this is so good. There's so many flavors in there. Oh, you got that spice from the spices that we put in the pork. You can taste a little bit of the cinnamon, and oh, that potato is nice and soft in there. And you got the tomatillo, a little acid of the tomatillo there with the avocado, the cilantro, the onion. Very recommended. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you make this and I hope you love it. If you would sub, I'd really appreciate it. Turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on anything. Thank you for that. I'll see you tomorrow.